Our first year was last year where we recruited under 16 players. So this year it's a bit different where this year we're introducing the under 17 categories into the mix, and with the recruitment of the new under 16 lot from the secondary school zones across Fiji.
When I say jump, we just go down, jump as high as you can, stick the landing, okay? And then I'm going to take your best score. You get 3 attempts.
We've scouted for almost 250 plus kids from across the FCSRU Dean's competition, and then from these scouted players we've then commenced our screen from the names that has been provided to us. From these names we've managed to acquire the respective 56 players and 58 for the under 17 categories, and then we will be further reducing this down to the final 30 across each grade for under 16 and under 17 to be contracted under the 2026-2025 Drua Academy program.
It's pretty hard from school. I expected it to be hard, and just my thoughts today's session was my experience was coming here to the Drua camp first time, and thank you very much for selecting me to be training squad.
Tam Kodara, pakai dengan ibu saja.
Na nunggu rekodo kami matenites, si atau sarvaleu yang kau sami breaking sarang gu rekod.
Wah, binakan di liu nak kita rin may buli darana. Yakabinakan ko na kanin Drua. Liu sa nakabu ki may buli da. Ba binakan takas ko na kanin Drua. Ba wataran may kami tirin ko na siminakan ko.
Itu sesini ko binakan kabu di magmikin. Di sini kabu so na kaya laksungo. Nunggu rekod sauce be lutu boleh ko sabi talebol.